back to my channel. Today is Friday, and here in Florida we are all getting ready for a hurricane. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to try to move as many plants as I can. The really big ones, I don't believe I'm gonna move. I just can't, and I don't want nobody to hurt their back trying to move it. I'll try to move it with a dolly. If I can move it with a dolly, great. If I can't, then then that's just how it is. But most of them I'm gonna try to move into a more secure area. The only problem right now is, we still have a lot of sun coming in and out, and the best place for me to put some plants, the bigger pots, is against the house. So I would try to do that, but what I'm also going to do is I think I'm going to put a bunch of them in my front porch, because my front porch gets less sun and they won't be at risk of burning while the sun is still out while we wait for the hurricane. So yeah, I don't know how much I'm going to be able to move, but I'm going to try, and I'll show you guys where I'm going to put most of them. Anything that's loose needs to be put away. Chairs, the umbrella needs to be taken down and put away into the shed. So a lot of things are going to go in the shed. So that. And then I cleaned a lot back here the other day, so it looks pretty clean back here. It looks so clean. So yeah, a lot of these little plants I'm going to move. I don't know, because I don't know where I'm going to put all these plants. So for now, I'm going to focus on the ones that are near and dear to my heart, where I'm like, no, I can't lose this one. Those are the ones that will start going to the front porch, and then I'll see where I can fit more little ones or other plants. Hey, lizard chat. Are you checking out the camper? You think you might move in? Okay, great. Rent is $25 a month. Okay, buddy? Okay. Anyways, back to this. So here is my greenhouse. So I plan on taking all these plants inside because, well, I'm afraid something falling on the greenhouse. We do have a lot of trees around here, big branches. So I'm just afraid of something falling and messing up the cactus and plants in there, succulents. So yeah, I got to do that. So there's a lot of work to do. So I will show you guys. Hammock needs to go get put away. So I'll show you guys when I'm done. What I have done and what I was able to move and what I couldn't move. Okay, guys? So I don't know if I'll be able to do it all today and go into tomorrow. We have till Sunday afternoon to have everything done, because I believe we'll start feeling the effects of the hurricane by Monday. So yeah, for those of you guys that are, closer to the water and you're gonna go through the hurricane, be safe. I believe they're urging people that are near the water to evacuate. So please listen to the news, and yeah, guys, just be safe. Safety first, okay? Thank you, guys. I'll check back with you guys later. What I've done so far, this is all the plants that are in the greenhouse. You don't realize how much you have until you start gathering it, and they're like, oh yeah, maybe I do have a lot. So I've noticed this Echeveria is a little stretched out. I'm just not getting as much sun as I used to over there in that section, so I don't know. Anyways, that is an old black Echeveria, Black Prince Echeveria. I think it's 2 to 3 years old, not sure. Many of the plants in the greenhouse are old. I've had for quite a while. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna be posting this today. I'm gonna post it in parts because I still have, today's Friday, I still have a lot of work to do, but I need to take a break from outside to cool down, hydrate, because as you can see, it's sunny outside. And also make sure that I'm doing stuff inside. I have to make sure all the laundry is done, because I don't know if we'll lose power and how long we'll be out, without being able to do laundry. So I want to get all the laundry done and just make sure dishes are constantly being cleaned and just cleaning my house, just to have a nice clean house so that when we're in lockdown, it feels like a nice tidy house and I can just relax. But it helps me, I think staying active, it just helps me cope with the unknown of what's gonna happen. So yeah, to be honest, I'm not scared because I'm very fortunate not to be so close to the water. I mean, living close to the water is pretty cool and awesome, but when we do have storms like this, it is pretty scary. And I'm also fortunate to live in a cinder block home as well. So I'm not really scared. My house is surrounded by trees, except for my bedroom. My bedroom is next to my neighbor's house. So that will be the safest room in the house in case a tree does fall. The safest room in the house is my bedroom. And so it'll be nice and cozy, us cuddling in there, waiting for the storm to pass. So that's pretty much what we'll do. And oh, my living room in front of the house as well. That is a safe area as well. So yeah, maybe we'll let the girls sleep in my bedroom, and then me and my husband will probably lay on the couch, or vice versa. They might want to lay on the couch and we can lay in our bedroom, whatever happens. Anyways guys, let me go show you where I've moved some plants. Here are all the plants that I moved to the front. So these plants obviously were not in the greenhouse. They've dealt with a lot of rain on and off, so the rain does not worry me at all. It's more debris flying or branches falling on top of them, and so that's the fear. So that's why I move them. I'm not worried about water or nothing like that because, well, they put up with it. I'm more concerned about the wind. Here, last time we had the hurricane 2 years ago, I believe. Yeah, 2 years ago. We were able to open the door and look out the front porch because of the way it is. There was no wind in the front porch. So I believe that everything in here will be fine. Now, I noticed one of the biggest mistakes people do is put their succulents in the garage or cactus. Don't do that. Your garage has no airflow. It's very humid in there. And it's just, there's no airflow. Do not do that. You have to bring it into the house, or if your plants are used to getting water, then just have them, in the front porch. Maxie, it's like you're boring me. Anyway, so yeah, do not put your plants in the garage, please. You need airflow somewhere where it's going to be having airflow. And I'm proud of this arrangement right here. Look at how beautiful she is and how tall she's gotten. That arrangement is happy, and it's an arrangement that I probably did like 2 months ago, and it's just dealt and put up with the rain and no rot. So I'm just super excited with it. Love ya. Anyways, look at my little sugar. Look at her, she's so cute. So that's one of my babies. I have 2, and then my pets. Maxie is another baby. Yes, she is. Look at her. Oh, she's the female baby. She's the other baby. I have 3 girls. My 2 daughters and her, and then I have 2 boys. The 2 male dogs. Yeah, and then the girls have 2 guinea pigs. Anyways, they're females as well. But that's what I'm going to be showing you guys for today. I hope that this gives you an idea when you're dealing with the hurricane of what to do. And then obviously I'll be able to update you after the hurricane. I know some of the plants might lose color because they'll be here for a few days. So they might lose color and they might stretch a little, but at least they'll be safer than being out there. I still have to move more plants, so I'll continue my video tomorrow. I will be moving more plants and showing you what I'm going to do with them to keep them safe. But for today, guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and be safe. God bless, guys.